Today on How It's Made, fish decoys, film digitization, cylinder stoves, and concrete light bulbs. When luring fish to a hole in a frozen lake, it helps to take a crafty approach. It's a handcrafted piece of folk art, and it's also a cunning piece of work. Often brightly colored with bold patterns, the decoy attracts the attention of fish, an attraction that will likely prove fatal. Native North Americans were the first to use decoys to catch fish in the winter. European settlers followed their example, and centuries later, decoy artists carry on this tradition of trickery. At this workshop, the decoy starts with a plank of white cedar. It's a wood with dense fibers, so it won't expand when wet. He draws a basic fish shape on the wood freestyle. This one is to resemble a herring. He carves out the shape with a bandsaw, producing the blank, which can now be transformed into a fish decoy. He cuts a narrow slot for attaching a metal tail fin. He draws a center line around the decoy blank. This serves as a reference point as he now tapers the edges with a sharp knife. If he cuts too deep, he could spoil the carving, so he whittles carefully, removing just a bit of wood with each stroke of the knife. The goal is to round the sharp edges and soften the profile, without cutting too deep and gouging the wood. He sands the entire surface of the decoy until it's perfectly smooth. Sanding also opens up the pores of the wood so paint will adhere. He carves the mouth, and then cuts slits for 2 sets of side fins. Using a power carver, he now bores into the wood to create fish eye sockets on both sides. He takes an equal amount of 2 epoxy clay components and kneads the 2 together. This activates the ingredients, turning it into a putty-like adhesive. He presses some of the adhesive into each of the decoy's eye sockets. He presses the glass eyes into the epoxy-filled sockets. Next, he cuts 6 fish fins from a sheet of aluminum, creating 1 dorsal fin, 2 sets of side fins, and a large tail fin. He inserts the fins into slots in the carving. He then drills holes in the wood on each side. He presses nails into those holes using pliers. This secures the tail fin. The fins on decoys are larger than on live fish to enable them to swim well when weighted. He now carves a pocket for the lead weight in the decoy belly. He inserts the front side fins so that they protrude slightly into the freshly carved pocket. He scoops up molten lead and pours it into the pocket. As the lead solidifies, it weights the decoy so it will sink, and it also secures the 2 side fins. He applies epoxy to the lead, sealing it so it won't be exposed to the water. He coats the entire decoy with lacquer. This seals the wood against water, which would have caused the wood to swell, cracking the final finish. Once the lacquer dries and the paint has been